Hello everyone, this is Shweta and welcome to my channel Earthy Instincts. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of lungs of Patna. So welcome to Tarumitra.
Tarumitra is a nationwide students' organization to promote ecological sensitivity in India. It was started in 1988 by students in Patna. UN has conferred a special consultative status to Tarumitra from 2005. It has over 2 lakh members in over 1,000 high schools and colleges. Father Robert Ethical is the founder and presently Father Tony is the director. Tarumitra is actively working in 24 states of the country and Patna is the headquarter. As I entered Tarumitra, I was welcomed by trees and shrubs, which was a pleasant contrast to the polluted hustle and bustle of the city. Another surprise was hanging ahead, a swing, and I couldn't resist reliving my childhood again. It was so much fun. I was warmly received by Devopriya, who aptly introduced Tarumitra to me.
My name is Devopriya Datta and I am students' youth representative of Tarumitra. We feel that Tarumitra's responsibility is taking care of Mother Earth by small actions, learning by doing. We believe in act locally, think globally, and it's not just only about planting trees, no, going as green as possible. Coming up with insane ideas, how much we can become eco-friendly, earth-friendly, inspiring each other. The USP of Tarumitra is not only that it is the only biodiversity of Bihar. And if I talk about the Tarumitra headquarters, this is the bioreserve, the only bioreserve that Bihar is having. And all the trees in Tarumitra, we have more than 1,000 trees in the campus, more than 450 species, varieties, and those species are of very rare trees that are on the verge of extinction, and medicinal trees. And the students have planted. So all the trees in Tarumitra campus are not more than 30 years because Tarumitra itself is a 30 years old institution. And the foundation has been the best out of waste. We call it famously in Tarumitra, Jugaad. So nothing is a waste for us. If you see behind me, you can see the solar panels over here. So be it water, be it electricity, everything in Tarumitra is charged up with the help of this solar energy. We call that Akshay Urja in Hindi. So even the food is also cooked with the help of solar energy. The water is also pumped with the help of solar energy. The electricity consumption over here is minimal. That's why our electricity bill is also very much minimal. Because we want to save resources. And when we are saving resources, it means that we are generating resources. And as I said that nothing is a waste in Tarumitra, I am right now standing just, you can say, in the middle of our organic farm. This is 6 acres of our organic farm over here. Tarumitra started doing organic farming. So presently, the rice or the wheat or the veggies, everything is organic without pesticide, without fertilizer. Everything that comes in our kitchen, in our platter is from our farm. Tarumitra is all about conservation of biodiversity. So presently if you see, Father Tony is taking care of the farm entirely right now. So mustard will come over here, our sarso ka khet will be visible in no time, and along with cherry tomato. This side right now the rice harvesting is going on. We call it the dhan katni. If the students were here, pandemic was not here, then the students would have come every day, different batches, and they would have gone to the field with the hasua in the hand, the sickle, and then they would have enjoyed this dhan katni ceremony. After dhan katni, again we have the threshing festival, that is the dhan pitni. Bringing students, having Tarumitra clubs, eco clubs, is to make at least our future generation be aware of something so that they understand we should not waste food.
After some introduction, we were welcomed with campus-grown organic lemon tea, and I must say, I never felt any tea was so refreshing before. After the break, I was taken around the mini forest. Although I didn't find any wild animal, I did come across some cute, friendly pets with whom I mingled without any effort. Then we headed toward a pond of Tarumitra. Tarumitra has 3 such ponds, and each one is containing fish more than 50,000. My God! Tarumitra also has Ecospirituality toilet, which is gifted by Sweden, wherein human waste is converted into organic waste, and that too without any stink. Isn't it surprising? The building standing there talks about the fine, sustainable architecture. The main building is high with a ventilation on the top to facilitate the hot air to escape out. The thick walls are hollow from within by 4 inch to create air pockets as to restrain the heat from outside to enter its interiors. The walls are plastered with cow dung and fenugreek, which besides cooling the place also makes it resistant to insects and termites. That is why it has never needed any maintenance ever since it has been built, that is 30 years back. Wow! The construction is done with waste materials gathered from various construction sites in order to leave minimal carbon footprint. It adorns a chandelier made up of disposable plastic glasses. Tarumitra has dormitories and rooms to accommodate around 150 students who come here for excursion trips and training. One of the rooms also flaunts rustic projector, screen and whiteboard. The students are provided campus-grown organic food which is prepared on rustic chulha or solar cooker. Students contribute something to the organization through their creativity that promotes sustainability and eco-sensitivity. Then we were taken to food processing department, which is headed by Father Matthew. Food is processed with the help of biogas. The solar dryers are used in drying the fruits and herbs which are made into natural medicines. The eco-friendly dosa batter grinder and flour mill are the gifts of innovation by the students who come here from the different corners of the world. The fruits, herbs and medicinal produce are taken for the process of juice extraction, preservation and drying for future use. The leftover is used as fuel. Besides showing us solar oven, Father Matthew also explained about solar water distillation system.
This is a hot water panel.
Okay.
And in this panel water gets heated up and hot water will be collected on this tank. And from there it comes to this distiller. This is distilling plant. And then get distilled and get collected in this container. And then when it is full, we store it in the distilled water.
The place also flaunts a solar steam bath system made of old plastic water tank. Isn't it interesting? The next charge was taken over by Father Tony, who took us around to show us rare trees which are on the verge of extinction. We were awestruck by the beauty and majestic structure.
The original trunk is somewhere inside. These are all the roots. One branch, that branch, then the prop root support. And this prop root support the, see this chudka, this small one? You can see now that how many, so he is also want to compete with it. He is trying to become independent of the mother tree.
The rare Kachnar flowers boasted of beauty that was invaluable. I was in love with each each and every tree and plant. It was actually amazing.
Now these are special red chilies, the hottest chilies in the whole world. Isn't it beautiful? Now this is Patli flowers. Patli is the name from which Patliputra is derived, the ancient name of Patna.
As we were on the last leg of the trip, my sister, who is deadly scared of dogs, finally befriended Golu, the most graceful and well-behaved pet of Tarumitra. We also took along the essence of Ecospirituality. Our body is made up of 5 elements of the earth. In whichever way we are cremated or buried after we die, the end result is always to be one with our Mother Earth. They also believe in cosmology, that is, what is our contribution towards Mother Earth? The main logo of Tarumitra is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is, whole world is one family, irrespective of any nationality, race, caste or creed. One is always affected by the other as we all are interconnected. And we ended the note with a cup of tea to bid adieu to Tarumitra to come back again.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Don't forget to connect with me on Instagram and keep watching my future videos that comes on weekly. Thank you so much.